Hello everybody, how you guys doing tonight? Okay, so well, I need to mute the stream. Okay, hello everyone. Okay, so I thought I'd give a quick rundown of how the game is coming along so far. I did some work since the last stream. I finished off doing the tile map kind of system. I kind of reworked that a lot. And for anyone new, I'll do a quick rundown of what I'm going to be doing for this jam. Okay. So my current plan is this kind of like example grid here. And okay. So what the current game idea is, so the theme is like let there be chaos. And so I think what my current plan is I'm gonna have some sort of like Godzilla kind of like character that you're controlling here. And then you're trying to like protect these cars. If any of you play Mini, what's it called? Mini Motorways, which is a really interesting game by Dino Polo. The people made Mini Metro. And it's kind of like a traffic flow game. And so what this game is gonna be like is you're gonna be like this Godzilla kind of character in the city. And your job is to try and keep the cars away from, let's say, some like kind of like crater in the center of the map. Yeah, draw that in. There you go. So let's say there's some sort of like crater in the middle of the map, and there's all these roads going into the crater, kind of. Let's like draw this on. In my very rough example diagram. Yeah, made like a bit nicer. There you go. So you have all these like roads and these like cars coming into the city, and your job is to try and, it's kind of like a tower defense game in a way. So you're trying to protect all the cars from like not coming into the center. Spotify adverts. Okay. Anyway, so the way you're interactive is you can like pick up and like spit out cars in a way, and also knock down buildings so they like block the road. So that's my current plan, and so let's get working on that. Okay. So what I did off stream is I got this kind of like Babaraju kind of style movement working. So you can kind of like push around these like buildings things in a way, and on this like grid. So that's what I've done so far. And the way that works is we have this, okay, so we have a list of like of transforms in a way. And then we're keeping, so each, when the game starts, so we just create a list of, just make an array of those for like a level size. So right now I just have it 5 by 5 to keep it relatively simple, and then later on make it a bit larger. So we just store those in an array, and then every time we try and move an object, we're just checking like if there's something in front of us. If there is, we're like pushing that object as well. Just kind of looping through this movement script in a way, and just moving them all slowly forward, making sure we can. It's not like the edge of map or something. Yes, so let's work out what we're going to finish now. So I think there was something wrong with this. I can't remember. I didn't finish it entirely. Trying to work out what that was. I don't remember at all. Okay, let's see. What was I doing? I did that. What position? I think that's working. What was I going to do? I don't remember. Anyway, what was I have on my Trello board? Car movement, object movement. Okay. So let's see. Probably the next thing to add them and start working on the car movement. That's going to be a bit complicated though. So let's expand this grid a bit. Let's make this a tad bigger. Actually, that's 3 times big. Okay, let's zoom in the camera a bit. Okay, so I'm hoping this grid should be able to like scale pretty dynamically now, I think. So that should work quite well. How many is this wide now? That's 5 on each side. So that's 11 by 11. Yeah, so I'm kind of like, it's kind of like a Babaraju kind of style movement, I think. That's probably what I'm going to go for. So I know, I'm hoping the game's gonna be quite simple. And then a lot of the, I know after the first, like maybe like by Wednesday, I have most of the stuff done, so we can really start working, just polishing up, adding loads of particle effects and stuff like that. So let's see. Okay, yeah, let's get starting on the car system then. So probably need some sort of like game manager. Actually, if we move this script, yeah, if we make a game manager object, then we can have that controlling most stuff. Let's see. Yeah, we can have this as like a hub for all the spawns of cars, and I don't know. I was thinking we could have like multiple creators as well, and like this kind of city environment. I'm hoping the game will have like quite a like cute art style. I think that's what I'm going for. It's gonna be some kind of like a Godzilla, but it'll be more cute than scary because you're like kind of like the good guy in all of this, even though you're destroying massive cities and skyscrapers and whatever. But I think hopefully it should be quite cute and like playful. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, level manager. And if any of you guys have any ideas for this, I'd love to hear it. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So if we make the level grid on there and get rid of it over on the tile map. Yeah, I think earlier I was trying to implement it using the Unity tile map. That didn't go so good. So I'm just gonna completely separate them completely now, I think. Building with game manager to nearly at the top. Okay, so we want to make some sort of spawn manager. So we did, yeah, just make a spawn manager. Then we can try and get the cars working. You could have levels, and per level there are more creators. Yeah. What I was thinking is actually something really fun to do could be to add like different cities based on like real life stuff. I think that could be really fun. That could be, I don't know, if we have more time, that could be like a bonus extra thing. I think having lots of different creators though is yeah, definitely. I think that's probably the route I'm going to take for this game. Not entirely sure yet. We'll just see what happens. Okay, so I got to work out how to do this car spawning. That is going to be. So actually, the best way to show this might actually just be to go into Mini Motorway to show you how that works. So this is a really great game, by the way. So I definitely recommend if you haven't played it before. So the way this works is the cars can like they go between the houses and these like supermarket and mall kind of things. And so I think trying to recreate this would be really nice. Really, these guys make really cool games. They did Mini Metro and Mini Motorway, so highly recommend checking out their stuff. Resume. I had another game going. I did not know that. Oh, okay. That's actually good. Oh yeah, so they have these like cityscapes. So this one is based on some city that I cannot remember the name of. But they have all these other. Let's have a look. Wait. Let's quit this. If it doesn't freeze, which isn't good. Okay. In the main menu. And like, oh my god, okay. I managed to cross Mini Motorways, lovely. Okay. I will ignore that and my very stupid mistakes. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Don't know how I managed to do that. Anyway, so yeah, so the cars in this game, they like travel between supermarkets, these malls, these like houses, stuff, and all the cities are based on real life locations around the world. So they have like Tokyo, Los Angeles, Beijing, Dar es Salaam, which is the capital of Tanzania, I think, and Moscow, Munich, all these different cities. So if you go to Zurich in Switzerland, so you see you have these like houses and supermarkets, and this is really lagging. This is not good. Anyway, you have these houses and supermarkets. Let me turn that down. Okay, and the cars like travel between houses. So getting something like this work, quite this like very simple minimalist kind of movement, I think would be quite cool. So let's do that. So I have no idea. I think you could try using waypoints. That could be a good way to do it. I'm trying to think. I want the cars to be able to like move between roads. If you're like, so you're like the Godzilla character, you can like move around, pick up the cars, and like spit them back out into different roads. Okay. So I'm trying to think what would be the best way to do this. maybe waypoints or some other system. Let's see. So I think what I want to try and do is have it so they're like coming in towards the crater of doom and death, and you can like just pick them up and then move them onto like a side road that's for their like color. I might color code it, or depends on how I do this. And you can like move them over to another road to take them like away to safety or whatever. So I'm gotta think. So this can be quite dynamic. So I think waypoints may be a bit tricky to implement. Let's see. I think after this, it's probably the hardest thing to implement in this like game idea. So I think spending some time getting this working nicely would probably be quite good. So let's see. So if for now, let's just create some sort of game object. Yeah, we just store some sort of like prefab for the car. Just a car object, let's just say. And then we just have that spawn on like some spawn points for now. We can balance this all later. Let's see. Yeah, just have spawn points for the car. Let's see. Yes, I'm trying to think. So I think waypoints probably be the easiest way to do this, probably. Having them move. Let's actually see if YouTube has any good ideas for this. YouTube. Okay. Unity, let's see some traffic system. Yeah, waypoint system could be good. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so we could have a waypoint system. I think making it dynamic and able to change, that would probably be the problem. But I think for now, that should be okay. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, so we could have a waypoint system. I think making it dynamic and able to change, that would probably be the problem. But I think for now, that should be okay. Very confused. Why is it echoing? Yeah, so I don't understand. I think making it dynamic and able to change, that would probably be. I have it muted. What's happening? I'm very sorry, guys. I'm very confused. What in the world? I have it muted. What's happening? I'm very sorry, guys. Oh, okay, let's close this. Don't know what YouTube's doing there. Okay, just ignore that for now. Anyway, so yeah, let's try and get a waypoint system working. So if we like assign every car to like a destination at the start. Yeah, so if we like have like spawn points, and then each spawn point has like a set destination in a way, then yeah, they all have set destination. Then if you like, okay, I'm just gonna build this like assuming that you can like pick up and like you can like pick up a car and like, move it. So then you have to be able to like reset the destination points for the car. So that would be. So maybe the destinations for like every road tile. Yeah, if a car like looks to check what road tile it's on, then that will tell it what direction to go in. That could be a good way to do this. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, let's do that. So have this spawner. We just have a bunch of car. Okay, let's make a car script. That's very good. So we make a car script and a road script. Yeah, if every road then has. Actually, do we need? If in the level manager. Wait, what was it? Oh, spawn manager I was doing it before. So we have a spawn manager. I think if you had the roads like saved into this, then yeah, so we had all the road points like saved. We had the list of all different. So basically, it was just for waypoints, and have them all saved, and then the car can check see what waypoint it's on, and then where the next waypoint to go to would be. That could work. I'm trying to think though how you get like two-way roads working. Or actually, what if we just didn't have two-way roads, just like all one way? That would be fine. Yeah. That would actually be probably the best idea, I think. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Yeah, actually, that makes it so much easier. Okay, so if we all have, let's see. If Okay, so if we store all the roads, so if we have like, okay, so we have a like group of transforms for each road, then I think, okay, yeah, so we have, if rows just like, okay, if we have a row scope that's literally just a list of a bunch of transforms, just waypoints, and then we just have a list of all different roads. It's kind of like a two-dimensional list. Hi, Arcadendo, how you doing? Okay, yes. I think this is the best way. So we have a road list, which we have not created yet, but let's put that for now. Let's go back and add a road. Okay. So we just make this, which is just a list of transforms. It will be waypoints. Let's put the music back on, actually. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, we have a road that's just a list of waypoints. Then we can just have a list of roads. Okay, yeah, so then when we spawn a car, we want to... Okay, yeah, so if we just do an update for now, so if we just have some sort of timer... Yeah, so we just have some sort of timer, so we can just have spawn rate. And then we just keep an eye on that using, let's see, and then we should go to spawn. Time to next spawn, yeah, that sounds right. Time between spawn. Let's do that. Time between spawn, and then we just decrease that by time equals time. Spawn, time equals time. Okay. Yeah, so if we do that, then every time we just check if our can spawn less than 0 or less than 0. Yeah, then we just spawn a car every single time at some random spawn point then. Yeah. So then this should allow us to tweak this rate at runtime. So then we can like dynamically change the difficulty, maybe. So I think might go down the routes of different levels for different difficulties rather than like a high score kind of game. So we just, yeah, instantiate our object at spawn points and just get a random one. Range. That'll be 0, and then that'll be the maximum amount, so spawn points dot length, and then just minus that by 1. Why isn't it? Oh, that was not an array. Okay. And then yeah, minus that by 1. Okay. So that gives our car. Let's just save that in the game object for now. Probably have to edit that later. Yeah, so that's easy spawning. That shouldn't be too complicated. So just save that in the game object. You can probably edit settings and stuff. Oh, we could have different cars and stuff with it. That could be a good way to expand it. Have some like, I don't know, motorbikes or something that go faster. Okay, so we spawn that at random one. Then, oh yes, so actually, yeah, we do actually need that because we need to then, we saw the car, more Spotify adverts are annoying. Actually, let me go on Discord and let me play it on rhythm because then there won't be any ads. Bear with me for 1 second. Let's go. Yeah, on this server we have a nice function. We can just play Spotify song here. There we go. No need for Spotify now. Okay. So let's see what we're doing. Oh yeah. So if we store the car flow in that, then let me know if the music should be quieter, by the way. Okay, yeah. So we store that. Just have we can just go instance, and then that will be equal to our object. Yeah, this isn't efficient, but it's good enough for a game jam, so we keep it. Okay, so we just get the car every time we spawn it, and then inside that we can just edit whatever the car's destination is or whatever. So if we go into the car script now, which I think I created, yeah. Okay, so we want some sort of AI for this. So we need it to drive to a road, go to road, and then it needs to work out the next road is, and just keep going through the waypoints. So if you have a way to start off, let's see. So if every waypoint has, let's see, we could just do quick check, see what the closest road is. That could be an easiest way to do it. Let's see. Or we could tie in the waypoints. Oh, actually, how about we just have every road, yes, every road is a waypoint. So if we just have a list of roads and then just have it spawn at, so we just have it spawn at the first waypoint in the road. That, yeah, that's would be fine. So if we have that spawn points, roads, and then, yeah. Okay, roads. Okay, so we have that spawn roads.length. So then we can get a position from that. So we can get the first one that this, and then get a position off of that. Okay, that does not seem to be working, but anyway. So let's see what is wrong here. Okay, we need another bracket there. Let's get that song. Let's skip all these songs. Thank you, friends, for being lovely as always. Yeah, let's see what's on. There we go. Anyway. Okay, so we have, yeah, so we get a random one. This is very messy and hard to read, but hey. Okay, so yeah, between, if we get a random one between 1, 0, that is going for arrows. Rows.length, 1, 0, yeah. Okay, let's turn that down slightly. This is, okay, I'm just gonna redo this because this is getting very messy and I'm confused. Okay, so we want to spawn us at a position. So, well, first of all, let's just like rotation to just turn into identity, so that's default. Then we want to get a position. So we want to get, spawn it on the road positions, and we want that road to be some random road, and then in that road, so let's get a random road first. Just some random highway to start on. So let's do a range. I keep clicking that one. Random range. Then have it between 0 and our road's length. Just minus that by 1 so we don't go over that. Okay, then have that go to a position. Why is it throwing errors? Inclusive returns a random integer in between. Cannot apply to the text type road. I'm doing something very wrong here and I can't work out what it is. Cannot apply indexing. Wait, roads is a... Okay, let's just get rid of this for now. Okay, so roads is an array. So we put a number there, get a road out. Okay, I'm gonna stop using this now because friends are being very frustrated. So let's go back to Spotify anyway. Let's disconnect rhythm. Go back to Spotify.
Hits are made only on Spotify.
Back to the adverts, lovely. Okay. So inclusive. I have no idea what's happening here. Okay, expression type road. Alright, let's go all the way back. Okay, so roads. Ah, I see what. Okay. Done mistake. So just waypoints and then position. Okay, that should be okay. Issue fixed. Okay, so that finds the first position in one road. So if we actually store what road we did that on, then we can set this car's road to that. So if we pick our road earlier, so we just get in, and we can just call it rand for now. Then we'll set to our random road that we've selected and do that one. Okay. Actually, later on, it might be better to have each road have its own separate spawn rate. That could be quite a good thing to add. And we can have like busier roads and stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. That's just simple enough to start prototyping with. So then, okay, so then in our car, we want to set what road we're on. So if we get a reference to this road that we have right now. So in cars, we can make, yeah, so a public road. Or we can actually make this into, yeah, let's make this into constructor, because that allows us to add some more stuff for later and future queries. So let's just have a car constructor there, and we can just have, let's see. So we want a road, and I think that's all we need for now, yeah. Just have a road, and we can just have a current road. So that's private now. Our road, our current road. Actually, I've just got my road. That seems nice. My road. Okay, so my road to our road. Okay. Then we can. I think I'm not really using rigid body in this game at all. So I think we could just use vector free.move towards. That's probably the easiest way to do movement. Yeah. I think that's probably the best. So just have an update. So if we just change our transform position, vector free, move towards. This is such a handy function. Just move, like it just alerts a position towards something by speed. So that's really nice. So and that takes in our current position. So transform position. Okay, yeah. So if we want to store our current waypoint as well. So we can override this when we like move road or whatever later on. So set current waypoint. Okay. And maybe if we get this done tonight, actually, maybe we can start working on some graphics because that'll make stuff much nicer to look at. Kind of want to do that as well, having some cute graphics to just make the game so much nicer. Okay. Anyway, let's stay focused on this, Adam, and let's do coding. Okay. Target. Okay. So we want to set our current target so we get a road or my road. And that's a list of waypoints. Okay, nice. Then just our current waypoint plus 1. Okay. And then we can just have some car speed. Maybe just like public. Some sort of float by. We want to make the car rotate. Actually, that's something we need to do as well. Rotate towards our direction. Actually, we could. Yeah, let's just leave that for now though. Super clean graphics. Yes, we have all the clean graphics. Gotta make it sleek and elegant. I think I might do pixel art for this game though. I'm feeling like pixel art. Let's see, pixel art, just move speed, mob speed for short. And then don't forget to times that by time.delta time, if I can type. There we go. Delta time, beautiful. Okay. Lovely, more error. Oh yeah, position. There we go. it wouldn't be a coding live stream without numerous errors. Okay. Update, mode, set position, do this. Okay, I think that should be working with a massive asterisk. Oh yeah, we need to actually... Ooh, I just realized that constructor isn't... Okay, we're gonna remove the construct. Wait, should we... So I want to create the car object. Well, okay, well, let's just create a setup void. That just makes it easier. Yeah. Let's make a setup void. This probably isn't a good way to do it, but hey, it's fine. Yeah, and then just instance setup, and we can just pass in our roads, the random one we assigned before. Okay, so that should be working. Again, massive asterisk. We'll probably throw a ton of errors, but we'll try our best. Okay, we actually need to make the car object. So let's see. Anyone, any suggestions for the color of our car? Any preferences? If Unity decides to work, it's so much slower when I live stream. It's not good. Yeah. This is taking forever. Why is that? Unity is not functioning very well. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's get car sprite working. So let's just duplicate our dinosaur over here. Let's make a car. Let's make it blue. Blue is quite nice. That's a decent shade of blue. Okay, make that a tad smaller. Let's make that 0.3, about 0.7. Oh, way lower. 0.5. Okay. So then we also have to create a road. So how should we do this? Let's just do this again. Let's just duplicate this. Make a road. Let's just start with the player. The road doesn't need a collider, I don't think. And then if we just have a bunch of sprites. So let's see. Okay, let's make, yeah, so we make that one. Just make that go across the entire tile. And if we just make some really like offset of this color, let's make that a tiny bit lighter. Can be faded away. Okay. Make it a bit more chunky as well. Chunk, there we go. Okay, so these sprites will just be all the waypoints, I guess. So we just make a bunch of waypoints towards the middle. And I just realized we forgot to add the car to change waypoint, but we'll do that later. Let's just see if it gets spawning first. Okay, so game object, we want to create a car object. So if we take our car over here, we'll make a prefabs folder later. So we can just drag that in here. There we go. Spawn rate, let's just do 5 a second for now. And we're gonna make a bunch of waypoints. We're gonna make our road title actually serializable. So let's just add system to serializable on top. So it displays in the inspector. Okay. So, Unity's compile times are really high right now. Yeah, it's taking Unity forever to do this. Okay. Hurry up. There we go. Okay. So yeah, so now we can just add a bunch of waypoints for different roads. That's lovely. Okay, so let's just add one for now. And we can look and expect and just drag in all these sprites just made. So all of them. Okay. So hopefully, oh actually we need to make sure that that is the first one, right? Yeah. Okay. So it should spawn a car and it should spawn there. If it decides to build, it's taking really long to do. Streaming is not helping my PC. There we go. Okay, yeah, so a sponsor. That is, and that's a lot of cars. Ooh, let's stop that. Okay. So let's go and make the cars actually move because we forgot to do that last time. Okay, so what we want to do is after streaming, let's just do a quick distance check. So we can just check if the vector freedom distance between our transformed dot position and where we're actually trying to go, so our waypoint, next waypoint position, is less than some small number. So let's just say point, yeah, 0.1 is fine for this project, yeah. And then we can just change our current waypoint there, just increase that. And then I'll say if, let's just throw an error for now if our current waypoint is greater than my road dot waypoints dot length plus 1. Just throw a quick debug error, and then we can just say this car ran out of roads. Okay, lovely jubbly. Okay, I think, what was it? Oh yeah, that needs to be a greater than or equal to. Okay, so that should work. I feel I'm getting something, but we can work it out. So let's decrease car spawn rate so I don't crash my PC. Why is this taking so long? Oh, that is not good. Okay. OBS, yeah, streaming is taking up a lot of the graphics card. Something we're just gonna have to deal with. Actually, you know what could be worth doing? Lowering the FPS, because I probably don't need to be on 60 FPS while live streaming this. It doesn't really make a difference. Can I change it while I'm live streaming? I don't know. Yes. No. Okay, so next stream, definitely gonna lower FPS. That is a lesson learned. Okay. So for now, you just deal with large compile times, it's fine. Okay, let's see if these spawn cars work. So they should just move along there quickly. Once it, okay, this is gonna take a long time again, but hey,
Hey guys,
work with
Billie
this.
Eilish. Listen to today's topic.
Hello, Billie Eilish, and now I'm gonna mute you.
Only on
Okay. Let's see if this decides to load. Okay, and the cars do not work. Why is that? Let's just pause that. Why is this spawning so quickly? Okay, that's way too fast, and I again realized something I forgot to do. Okay, I don't think I reset the spawn rate. No, I did not. Okay, So in here we need to set time spawn equal to our spawn rate divided by 1. Oh wait, 1 divided by what's spawn rate. Okay. That explains why cards spawning so fast. I did not notice that before. That's not looking nice. Okay. It's gonna take, again, a while to run, but it's okay. Huh. Now why isn't this working? So we do set up, right? Yeah, so we set up the road that we're on. Get the list of waypoints, spawn at the waypoint. I just want to move towards set up, right? Oh, did we not set a move speed? That would explain a lot. Did I set a move speed? No, I don't think I did. And I haven't. Oh my god, I did the big stupid. I've not even unlocked my expector yet. Okay, so I haven't even added the car script yet. Don't know how much to do that. Okay, so we just set that to speed up like well, like 1 tile a second. That's probably a bit fast. Let's say half a tile a second. The rows are set up. Building is irrelevant right now, but just move that over there. Actually, we should make my grid snapping to 1. That would be helpful for this project. Set that to 1. So there you go. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, again, time for our long compile times again. Oof. It's gonna get tedious as the project gets bigger, but hey. Just think about the lovely artwork we can do before, and that does not look good. That does not look good. These long compile times are not helping me fix this. Okay, so we spawn a car. Let's just debug this. Okay, my road. Okay, does it? Okay, so it doesn't set any waypoints. Okay. So it spawns it at 1, then it doesn't actually set it. Oh. So the car's a road. That isn't. My road equal to the road. Road, our random road. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's move that cover in. Okay. Roads. Relate to 1. Why not set something you expect somewhere? These compile times are very annoying. There we go. Okay. Nope, not done yet, and it's doing an annoying sound. Why is it? Oh, Unity. Oh, this is getting very annoying. Why is Unity being like this? I don't understand. Yes, Unity, I know you're not ready. What the flipping Jesus? Okay. Okay. Why is Unity buzzing whenever I click it? I don't know, but yeah. Let's see. I'm very tempted to order 4 right now, but nope, still doing that. That is not helpful. Okay. Let's try and recompile the code, see if that makes it decide to be work again. Okay, so okay, I definitely need to cut down on streaming size right now. Ugh. Unity just no, it didn't. Okay. Well, okay. Auto 4 time. Save. Or at least it lets me save. That's nice. Okay. Unity's being a pain though. Okay, let's just. There's a bunch of other stuff on. Let's save that as my example project. Okay, let's close that. And let's just close Google for now. Okay, so let's try and get Unity functioning this time. So open up Unity. Okay, so after this, what should we do? I think if we can get the maybe just move on to art after this. I think that's probably best cool. Yeah. Move on to some nice cute graphics and away from the ever frustrating coding tech side. It's not been very great today, but that's okay. Hopefully Unity will be better tomorrow. I think I'll probably lower my FPS for the stream. That'll probably be the best way to reduce cuts. Let's set the level Let's set the level renderer to 1 below, so other stuff actually renders. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's see. So the car isn't moving and it's not transferring over the waypoints. So that is annoying. Let's see. I have a reference to that. So let's just see what happens if I run. Okay, at least ran fast this time, and it's just spawning a crap ton of cars. Okay, why is... Okay, throwing error. Let's have a look. 19, transform. So that waypoint probably isn't being set. That's probably the first error. Then the other one is set up the roads random isn't in range. That does not make any sense. I just got that from there. So that's very weird. Let's debug that. Let's just see what that's up to. Or we can actually... Oh, wait. Actually... Wait, no, yeah, we do actually... We want that to be -1. Because... Yeah. So we're getting our list of different road tiles from this thing over here. That has a list of waypoints, which are all these positions, which are just sprites for now. So we have one of them. So let's just do one for now. Let's just simplify it a ton. Just get rid of that for now. We just have road and road. So now this should work. If this doesn't work, then we have a bigger problem. So at least Unity runs fast now. Okay, still a bunch of errors. This time around 18. Okay. Road dot waypoint 0 position something that's equal to null. Oh, okay, we haven't actually set that because we just reset that. Okay. Dumb mistake number 1 and y. So that's still a list. Oh, no mind. That's just confusing me. Object, what's that? Let's go to here. Okay, still not moving. Okay, so there's throwing an error here. So as I can't, oh, maybe our object that was spawning. Wait, if this doesn't have a car script on it, I'm going to be very, very annoyed. Okay, that was weird. That was very strange. Let's reset the layout. Let's see, let's default personal free. There we go, that's nicer. Okay, so let's maximize that. This doesn't have a car script on it. Turns out I'm making dumb mistakes. This is what happens for your second live stream. Okay. It's very weird, like coding while trying to speak at the same time. It's like taking up like, I'm like focusing on talking rather than actually doing this thing. Very strange. Okay, so that was a very dumb mistake, and that cost 20 minutes. That is not good. And it works. We take that. We take that. Okay, let's slow down the spawning rate a ton. And let's spawn like every, I don't know, let's say every 4 seconds. Okay, that works. That works. So yeah, let's just, okay. So it should also handle turns. Let's just try a turn. Just make it look nice. Road. Let's just rotate that by 90 degrees. That 25 across. That 1. We can sort it all out later to make it look nice and pretty, but for now, just do that. Okay, let's add these two to the list then. And they should, let's speed up the cars well so we don't have to wait ages. 4 times as fast. So that should just, yeah, definitely looks 4 times as fast. Okay, let's go much faster than that. And I realized what dumb mistake I'm doing now. I'm not. Let's just delete that because I keep editing that and that's wrong. Okay, let's make that. It's way too fast, but hey, we do all that. Let's just zip along there. Okay, that's nice. Okay, that works well. And that actually kind of curves. So if we actually curve that road in the spray editor, that should actually look quite nice. Okay, so the cars roughly work now. So what we want to do is also have a way to change. Actually, we can just add in types of roads again. Int roads round, then again pass some roads round, so you can have loads of different roads coming in, just like mini motorways. Pluralize that. That should, all the errors should go away. Maybe, hopefully. Okay, yes. Okay. So now that we fixed all those dumb errors by myself, we can get on with making other stuff in the game. I kind of want to go into art now. I feel like that'll just help the entire project. I don't know, is there anything anyone in particular requests of what we work on next? I think to actually set the stuff in the inspector. Okay, manager of roads. That's that. And we have road number 1, our first road, and then collection of waypoints for that road. Okay, lovely. So, okay, nice. Then we should be able to add another road, and then it will like change between spawning them. So let's just rotate this there. Okay. So now it should switch between which road actually does. So if we do that, add those to the second list. Yeah, there we go. Now I should really switch between both of them. So first one. And okay, that could just be down to the luck. Let's see. 3 times, I'm losing hope. Okay, probably not working. Did it actually? Did? Why did it put that many in? That's the question. Oh, I must have put them in the first time I did. Okay, never mind. Does it work now? I still got 0 in the script. Have I actually updated the script yet? Yeah, I did. That's weird and annoying. Like many aspects of the last 20 minutes. I feel like this is definitely one thing I'm noticing as I'm streaming. Like I'm making loads of really dumb mistakes. I'm trying to talk and do it at the same time. Let's see. So the first one that lists is over there. So the cars should really be spawning there, but they are not. Why? That's what we're going to try and find out. So, so they come to spawn manager, spawn, this is all working fine. Let's just debug that rand. 100% right, but I'm questioning myself a lot today, so let's just do that just in case. Let's see what that one says. Let's increase the spawn rate as well, just so we get a better idea of where they're spawning. Okay, so they're just all spawning there. And okay, that's just throwing a bunch of errors. Indexes out of array. Current waypoint. I might just be before they got to the end. Don't know what these do, but get rid of those. And then let's also actually make sure the cars are actually above the layer, so we can actually see they're actually spawning in the first place. So let's just open up these, unlock the expector. The sprite render, and let's just increase the layer. I have a feeling they're spawning, but then they're not actually moving. That's what I think is happening, but we'll see. Okay, no, that is not happening. They are throwing an error as well. Is that just when they get to the end though? Yeah, that is. Okay. So that's the error we were expecting. Just need to do that up here though instead. Okay. Let's see. This is weird. It's gonna be another dumb mistake, but hey, we'll find that eventually. I'll probably, I don't know, probably tomorrow morning I'll try and do another stream, and then hopefully by then I'd have done a little bit work on the code, and I'll do the art definitely on the stream. Let's see. Okay, so it's always 0. Why? There we go. Does that fix it? That does fix it. So, okay, but yeah, but that's out, but I don't understand why. So wait, that's out. Oh, that's at the end. Okay, yes, it's working. Okay, good. It's not. It doesn't need that. Okay. Current waypoints. This just error message isn't working for some reason. Making loads. I'm not thinking today. Make streamers pog like a frog. Yes, that's what I always wanted. Okay, these cars are actually working now, so we take that. We take that. Okay. So let's close task manager. That nightmare is over, I hope. Let's see to what to work on next. Okay, let's just chill from coding. Let's just do some nice art. Put music back on. Just chill. Some lovely A sprite stuff. Okay, let's put the music back on. Just relax after that coding nightmare. Some good chill vibes. When in doubt, do the art. That's good, that's nice. Okay. So a sprite is time. Actually, I kind of want to save this for tomorrow morning, actually. Do we just continue doing the coding nightmare? I kind of want to do a morning art stream. That'll be kind of fun. Do I save the art tomorrow or do I do it now? I'm very... No. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna continue this nightmare. I'm gonna tackle the big problems. Okay. Yeah, let's get the dinosaur singing working. Okay. Okay, no, gonna do it. Okay, let's do the art. Let's do the art now. I think having art in just makes everything nicer to do, so let's just start doing that. Daniel May, hi, hello. Hope you're having a great evening so far. Let's do art. Okay, nothing ever goes wrong. Let's find a nice color palette somewhere. I think I kind of want to go for something like mini motorways kind of style. So if I get a screenshot of that art. Motorways. Yeah, so something kind of like this, like minimalist kind of style, but in pixel art. I think that's what I'm going to go for. Something kind of cute and simple. Probably quite low resolution, I think. Okay, let's find a nice. Actually, let me see if I have some nice ones already. Let's see, low palette. Let's see. This one could. But I kind of want something really bright, I think. Let's see. No, it's a bit dull. Better. Okay, let's find a nice bright color palette. What was your concept so far? Okay, actually, yeah, let me explain the concept. meter probability. Okay, so the main thing is we have this like Godzilla. By the way, have you played Mini Metro? It's a prequel of Mini Motorways. Yes, I've played. That is a very good game. Highly recommend, like its predecessor. Anyway, yeah. So the game concept. Let's open up this little example thing. Okay. So it's very messy, but anyway. Okay, let's move all these random shapes out of the way. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have some sort of. So what we're gonna do is have some sort of like Godzilla kind of. So like you play as like Godzilla in like this massive city in a way, and what your job is to do is a massive crater has spawned. It's kind of like dinosaur crater. I think that's what I'm gonna go for. You're like playing as a dinosaur, and this is like the crater you landed on. I don't know. We'll work out the lore or story or whatever later. Anyway, so all these cars are going around the city. They're like taking roads or traffic ways. However, there is a massive hole in the middle of the city, and they're going to drive straight into the hole along the road. So as the lovely dinosaur you are, your job is to make sure they do not go in. So you're going to do this by eating them up and spitting them out into different roads to make them go the other direction, or by knocking down buildings to block the roads. So I think that is the vibe I'm going to go for. It's kind of like this puzzle-ish tactics game. It should be quite chaotic and like hectic. Yeah. The Chicks Love Crater, yes. The Chicks Love Crater, exactly. If any of you don't know what that is, go Google it. Very interesting. That is the crater that killed the dinosaurs, or what was another impact of that asteroid. Anyway. Okay, so let's art. Okay, let's find nice. Let's go low spec. Find nice color. Oh no, I didn't just use that link there. Okay, paletteless. Okay, so we want something quite bright, colourful. I want quite a couple. Let's just see if it's here. Something like that is actually very nice. That is actually a very nice one. I swear I already have this one. Wait a minute. Let's go have a look. Have I already got this colour palette? Oh no, I have its other version. Okay, where's that? Okay, so I may actually end up using this one. So that's just a smaller version of this one. Kind of want something. This one's quite nice and bright. That kind of fits the style I'm going for. A bit dull. I want something that like really pops. So it's very like vibrant and playful. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think that other one, Resurrect, might be quite good. Let's see, how bright is this? Okay, that's quite nice. Yeah, these are actually really nice colors. Okay, yeah, let's just start using this one. Would it be 2D? Yeah. It's gonna be this like 2D semi-isometric kind of style, I think. I think I'm going like kind of like a Stardew Valley kind of perspective, but much more low resolution and stuff. So what's that orange like? Okay, that's fine. It is nice. Okay. So let's just start with a dinosaur then. If we do a 16-bit or 16 pixel wide, I think that would be good. Yeah, maybe a bit smaller. Let's see. So if we get some sort of like, okay, now you guys get to see my terrible art skills, but we'll power through this, okay? Let's see, some sort of like head and body. And I want it to be like really cute. Let's just use a. Is there a black? It's darkish. Let's go. So I want it to be quite cute and like big. So if we have like a really big head and like a tiny body, maybe. Actually, let's get the Google. I use if you guys have a look at my logo, the Google dinosaur is actually, I use it as an outline, like tracer kind of. So we could actually use this again. I'm doing a 3D version of Soul Knight for my submission. Oh, okay, cool. Soul Knight. I have not heard of Soul Knight. I do not know. I assume it's some sort of Souls game, but I don't know. What's it about? Let's see. Something like this for inspiration would be quite cool. Just get that on the side. There's some sort of like big tail thing, like this massive head. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for quite a low resolution kind of style, maybe a bit bigger than this. So, let's restart. Let's go. Something with similar legs to Google one. Maybe. I think the tail is quite important, so let's make sure that stands out. I'll be making a very original game that I made all myself called Minecraft for the Game Jam. Oh, Minecraft, that just sounds amazing. Can't wait to see it. Oh, by the way, Ash, if you want to come with VC, let me know. Okay, that head shape kind of looks quite nice. Brainstorming. Let's just get a good. How big do we actually want the body to be? Okay, so if the body's like that kind of size, and then the head's like massive on top, let the head just be absolutely enormous. Okay, let's just shrink the body even more. Let's have the head be like take up the entire thing and have a little tiny tail at the back. Like go up a bit more. That looks okay. Let's clean up this. You need to have quite a good mouth to have like the chomping effects. Let's see. Just make that a box for now. That silhouette's okay. I think maybe moving the leg that'd be nice. That looks okay, sure. We keep it quite geometric. Actually, that was quite kind of cute. Not sure what to go with this. I like that eye. I see what I did. That looks very cute. I think this kind of doesn't really look like a dinosaur though. I'm gonna go bigger. I think going 16 pixels using up the entire space is probably the best idea. Let's just get in. Hello guys.
Hi.
How'd your games go?
Horrible.
Some of them were okay.
We kind of went against a Predator. He was a streamer as well.
An ex-pro player.
What, who? Do I know them?
He played for Singularity.
Oh, Singularity,
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, ex-pro. I will find his name in a second.
Oh, by the way, guys, Dominic and Stu were just playing Apex Legends.
Yep, we were. Yeah, Brit Murray FPS.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
I haven't heard of them.
No, I don't know. But yeah, 2.7k followers on Twitch. But they.
Stress.
Is this in ranked or?
Yeah.
No, this was.
Right.
No, it was just standard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Actually, I guess it wouldn't be in ranked actually.
Yeah, and the game before we ran into a 56k wraith.
Yeah.
Lovely,
Obviously, the
lovely,
game
lovely.
things were too good.
Yeah, those literally 2 straight games.
Oh wow.
People.
I don't know what I'm doing, but we'll just keep going to a let's go. That's my motto when it comes to art.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Eventually, if
I'm
you
not
keep
watching
doing
the stream
pixels,
right now. Let me
they'll
just tab on.
look better.
Stop. Yep.
The silhouette's not
We'll
the
get there, I'm sure.
worst. Like, head should be slightly bigger.
Hey, that dinosaur looks familiar.
I know. Maybe adding color will make it look nice. I don't know. I think the head. I don't think the head doesn't stand out enough with this. Let's see.
I kind of like it actually.
Hmm.
I actually really like it.
Okay, let's add color. Let's just see how adding color will look then. So let's just go on outline like this. If I just color in as a tab.
Step into a world of music made just for you. Premium is your music, your way. Keep listening, and once we get
That's
to know
very,
you,
very
we'll
bright.
listen to
I'd
mixes
probably
presented
turn
to
that
you.
down.
From daily mixes
Yep.
to discovery
Was that
Premium lets you download those playlists.
that was
and
rhythm
listen
just
offline.
left?
Okay.
I'll put that
Plus,
back on for
enjoy
you.
free music
That's
on
fine, I'm not
Spotify
using
it.
it, so
right now.
Oh, you're not using it? Oh, okay.
no.
Tap the
I was
button.
trying to. Did not go well.
Oh.
Why
You do
not?
pixel art.
Yeah, probably.
Nice.
What went wrong with rhythm?
Someone's sort of playing other songs. I will never know who.
Oh.
I will tell you who. Give me a second.
Go to it. Donic Investigator.
Also owner and admin of a server.
And that.
Someone else.
Ew, Donic's tail. I did that conduct.
What, today in rhythm?
Yeah, I don't know.
Godly. Just
No one.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. We just ignore. It could have been something I did. I don't know.
It must have been.
Or it was you, Dominic.
It wasn't me, I can promise you that.
We'll never know. Okay.
I don't actually know if I can change rhythm if I'm not in the same voice channel. Maybe, but it definitely wasn't.
This is only getting worse with adding color. I don't think outlines are actually good for this job. Okay, let's scrap that and let's start afresh. Okay, so the head, most important thing. Let's just make a really nice, tiny, cute head. That works nicely. Okay. Maybe if we make it taller. We need to kind of make it feel like strong and powerful though. Let's see. Actually, if we do the legs like this, that might look nicer. Big head.
what is the program they're using to do the pixel art?
A-Sprite.
On Steam, isn't it?
Yeah, it's on Steam.
Yeah, I
think-
saw playing
yeah,
Apex, and it's like Atom playing a sprite.
I have
Is it
like
free?
2,000 hours in it. Yeah, no, it's like £15, I think. I have so many hours in it though, guys. Leave it.
Yeah,
on the background.
1549.
Don't know what it is about this I don't like. Maybe it needs like shading. I don't know.
It's got a pretty cool, like trailer thing.
No, what to do for this art.
Wait, are you using the Sprite Dark theme?
No.
Why not?
Just lose the call now.
I mean, their own theme's kind of okay. It's not actually that dark. I will get. Did I experiment with dark theme? I don't know. I don't think I liked
It was only released on May the 26th.
Oh really? Oh, okay. Maybe I haven't seen it then. Where is it? Where would it be?
I assume edit and then preferences, which is right at the bottom of edit. Edit the second one, yeah. The second one.
Default minimal
Yeah.
dark. This
Oh,
is
yeah,
a
I'm
different
watching your
one.
stream actually.
This is a different.
Edit than preference. But yeah, I don't know.
These
go
are
through
different
later on, but-
themes. These ones. Wait, that didn't apply. Where's it? Preferences. Dark. Yeah, this looks very I'm just kidding. Yeah, I remember. I didn't like the way this one looked. Just didn't look as nice to me.
Yeah, yeah, that's fair. I think.
I think I like the default one. I think. And why isn't it preferences? Default select scaling. Okay. It's not super bright. It's not like blinding white. Let's see. I don't know what it is about this dinosaur. It's just something doesn't feel right. Don't know. I think outline will help maybe. No, it's just kind of looks better in a very weird way.
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe it'll look better in the actual game. Let's have a look at some other pixel art inspiration. We'll go GMTK.
Like, do you stream on Discord?
Discord, on Discord, yeah,
Because-
sure.
Yeah, because there's so much delay.
Is
Well,
it?
not loads. There's enough delay that you're talking about one thing.
Oh,
and I
okay,
start
yeah.
Talking about what you're doing. Like when we were saying about the preferences thing.
Yeah.
To
Okay,
me, it looked like you weren't on it, but you actually were.
Okay.
It's
Actually,
because-
this is one of the games I was talking about earlier. This it's kind of art style.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That for a game jam.
Yeah. This was the 48-hour one.
48 hours. Per
Yeah, but it was like multiple. How many people worked on it? Yeah, like 4 people worked on this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think maybe I should try reducing the palette more. Maybe I should find a different palette. So I think honestly, this is good enough. I think.
Yeah, I
yeah.
personally really like the color palette you've chosen.
Yeah, maybe we keep this color palette and just only pick a couple colors from it. What if I make the body darker? I don't know how this will look. That could work. I don't know. Let's see. And in that game, they had actually the body was like black. Let's have a look. Let's see what this looks like. We'll do this.
See?
Looks like he's in
You
a
doing it?
spacesuit.
Crystal, you
Yeah.
doing a Godzilla kind of thing?
Yeah.
One.
What does it look better? The body shading or out shading?
Wait, what's
This
it with shading?
or this?
Okay. That's weird. I kind of like the shading on, but either way, I think they're
Yeah.
good. to be
Maybe we go with shading then. Let's have a look at Mini Moto's art style again. Take that as inspiration. Mini
That
Moto.
pixel art
Yeah,
that
if
was
you could
just-
have like a similar kind of color palette.
Yeah.
That's really
That's
simple.
nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
try
is
to
cool.
have
For
more
the
than-
level art, I think something like this would be nice.
Yeah, that looks really
Yeah.
nice to be honest. Like the tiles just randomly placed instead of like a big square or something like that.
Yeah.
That could be cool, yeah.
Yeah, and even just the way they're done with the colors and just having like pixel-based patterns in them
Yeah.
to have
The
variation without tons of colors.
yeah, I'm not sure. Say my expectations are the same as a professional artist are gonna pan out well, but we'll see. Hopefully. Okay, let's just say we're minimalist green dinosaur for now. Let's go on something.
Yeah.
Let's
If it's
decide
something
on-
something workable that you can then develop.
Yeah.
That's the main thing for now.
Let's go with that.
It's still only day one.
Yeah, I've gone a lot done today actually for day one. To be fair. Okay,
Yeah,
let's.
you've got a solid idea, which is good.
Yeah. Um, if we were gonna color this in, how big do we want the squares to be? Do I want to take up the entire space or? Or do I want to make the dinosaur smaller? Let's see. If I like cut like 2 by 2 around each side, does that look better? So that looks very weird now.
Yeah, without any space between it, doesn't look quite right, I don't think.
What if I like go with like tiny little edge? No.
I prefer that to how it looked before, but
Yeah.
I think with everything around the edge, it looks
Yeah, I think that's.
still better. You could do something like that, probably.
I just realized the dinosaur needs to be like on top of it in a way. Let's have a look. Let's just do a couple demos. So we do all on the bottom. So let's see. So let's see. Okay, that's 8 by 8. So that's the smallest I'd make it. So how would that look? Let's select all of that and that. That doesn't look too bad, I would say. That I might say on 8 by 8 because that looks okay now. Now, what do you guys think?
Let me see. So I was just doing some work.
Yeah, that could work.
Like that. That looks good. If we have it animating as well, yeah, I think that's probably what I'll go for.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it looks really nice.
Okay, so let's move this dinosaur to a separate one. I've actually got, honestly, today hasn't gone super well. There's been so many issues, but I've actually got quite a lot done, surprisingly. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, I mean, as I said earlier, the main thing is you've got like a pretty solid idea
Yeah.
of where to go with this.
Let's see. Hmm. How does that look tiled?
I like the color scheme, yeah, it really does.
Yeah.
work.
The colors are really nice, yeah.
Yeah, I think this. I'm definitely gonna skip this color palette now. That looks very ugly though. Ew.
Yeah, it doesn't work. The borders need to be thick
Um,
around all the sides if it's going to work.
Let's try doing it so it's like semi-tiled in a way. So like that. Actually, no, that wouldn't work actually for the style I'm going for. Let's see. That in the middle.
Not like that, yeah.
I wish there was a way to like clone it. There probably is, I just don't know how to do it. It's a way to like clone the sides. I probably should learn how to do that at some point. What do you have planned for the game jam? Okay, so I don't know, I haven't really thought too far ahead of this. Where's my Trello board gone? Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of just going with what I have for now. So the main, see, that is a wrong Trello board. Brackeys game jam, there we go. Okay, so the main things, so I've done the car movement, I've done some like objects. Let me show you roughly what I have so far. So it's gonna be like, so the green one's like the dinosaur. I've got like the car movement working roughly. And I've got like kind of some basic push physics in place. What roughly it's gonna be is you're like this Godzilla character and you're trying to like stop the cars getting to like the center of the map, which is gonna be some sort of like kind of crater in the way. This is like a very rough explanation, singy mabobby. So assume this is like some sort of crater in the middle of the map. You're gonna be like this kind of like city in a way. And then you have this green triangular, this like green dinosaur thing, which will hopefully look something like that. and that will be your Godzilla dinosaur character, which you control. And then the cars will be coming into the city, throughout the city or normal, and then boom, there's this big crater in the way, and you Godzilla have to try and save all the cars by eating them and spitting them out onto different roads so they don't fall into the crater in the way. It's very weird, but hopefully it should be fun. We'll see. I think hopefully I can get something playable in the next few days. That should make explaining it much easier. But yeah. I think I'm definitely going to focus a lot on animations this jam. I think having some really cute animations with just like eating a car, like spitting out would be very nice.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
I think yeah, that'd be very important, especially with the low poly out style as well. Not low poly, low resolution.
Listen to Harry and make your best bet with BetBig.
Okay. Let's do that. Let's have a look. Well, how did they do it on that one? Oh, so they have a lighter color on the outside. That could be better actually, because that makes the whole thing look darker. That's actually a good idea. So if you have your dark character in the middle, so let's just set that to that for now. Reset. I'd say that looks better. Doesn't really look boxy though.
One thing to think about is if these are roads.
These won't be roads. I'll do different road tiles.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I think I have some sort of like low resolution synchro through. Though, yeah, having the roads in this such small resolution would be a bit weird. But,
well, you've got 8x8 there, which means you can't really have lines going down the middle as such.
Yeah, I guess I'll just make them kind of thick in a way. Let's see. So if you made them like, you could probably just do that, honestly. That's probably what I end up doing, just having it literally just 4 lines of colour down the middle.
Yeah, no, I was thinking more along the lines of, you know, having like a white dashed line.
Yeah.
Tiles. And for that, you'd ideally want an odd number or just a much larger size. But I like these tiles on their own right.
A bit too small. I don't know. I think we don't feel super connected to each other. So let's try some different colors first of all. I think I might edit some of these colors a bit. I like that yellow color. The only problem is yellow is very hard to color to do shading with. Let's see. Let's just try hue shifting this a little bit. Just get yellow, it's a bit more red, and then a tiny bit darker. Yeah, yeah. Really line the hue shifting. Okay, that looks okay-ish. So what if we swap around those two colors now? So if we get, let's turn that. Come over here, let's just swap over these two colors. So if we have the bright one on the outside, is it this one? Okay, then let's just try redoing this. just get a bog standard square. I'm doing top down. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna do something-ish top down as well. I think, yeah, this probably, let's see. Actually, if this was an edge tile, then it would kind of be like, down here. That doesn't look good though. What did they do in this game? They make it go much further down and much darker. Okay. Actually, if I make them 16 by 16, then I have them. Come on, way further. Outlining goes as well. It goes down like that. Okay, that looks okay. I'm trying to think, would it be better if the dinosaur was like red and having the like land being green instead? Let's try that out maybe. Would that be better? Actually no, let's stick with this. I think this looks quite nice actually. Okay, that looks okay. Let's see, I think just need some variety in palette. Size. See, they like break up the edges a bit. Buttons and stuff. Let's see. Maybe if we made it green, that much might turn out better. Let's see if we make this red. That red, and then make this into a more green color. What engine are you using for the design? Wait, what do you mean? For this, I'm using Unity as like the game engine, and then a sprite for the pixel art. Okay, that looks okay. I like the dinosaur being red actually, that looks much nicer. Don't know about these colors though. They seem so bright. I just made everything a bit darker. I don't know. It's just something I don't like about this. Ooh, thank you for subscribing. Let me see, what is your name?
His name is David Curiel.
David Kern. Yeah, I'm trying to read on my phone, it's very low resolution. I think I should get it to type it in chat whenever
Yeah,
someone subscribes, I can see it.
Nightbot or something.
Actually, wait, no, I can just check on OBS actually. Yeah, David Curiel.
That makes
Thank you
sense.
for subscribing. Yeah, that'd be that. I think ideally I'd have that on. I need to get a second one. Actually, I think there's an app for Streamlabs that allows you to have that on your phone. So I should actually do that.
There may well be.
Yeah, I should
I'm
look.
not sure, actually. Because when I was streaming on Twitch and using Streamlabs OBS, there was a management on Twitch, so I just used that.
Okay.
So it
Yeah,
gave me
but it's
everything.
YouTube's.
YouTube is
not
very
Twitch. Yeah,
different.
they've each kind of got their pros and cons because YouTube is kind of integrated with the video part of it.
Yeah.
But Twitch, and it's got, you know, all your videos can be, the streams can be uploaded as videos, all of that.
Yeah.
But at the same time, Twitch in quite a few ways is just kind of works better for it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I know. I think if my YouTube channel was bigger, I maybe would consider going to Twitch as well, just to spread out a bit more.
Yeah.
There's a stream up
Oh
deck.
wait. Daniel May, if he hasn't answered your question, it's a
Oh,
thing called Aseprite.
as in the 2D. Yeah, Ace Sprite. Yeah, yeah. I need to have a sound or something when I put it on my live stream. Oh, actually, where should I put? If I put my phone.
What, do you
like...
not like hear the messages arriving and stuff?
No, I just have to check on my phone every now and again.
Oh, that's really annoying.
Yeah, I need to work out how to do this better. But hey.
Like first time, so
Yeah, it is. That's true.
let's get everything. sorted.
Get everything working nice. It's no problem. Sorry it took so long. Oh god, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. What do you guys think of this? Because I'm not sure. Oh, that's right.
Colours.
The colors, less so. I know the colors are okay. I think. Actually, okay. Let's change this. Let's mess around the screen actually a bit. Let's make that a bit lighter. Okay, that does not look good, but let's just put it in for now. I don't know what to do for a green highlight. It just doesn't look right to me. Like that, yeah. This looks horrible.
It's a bit too bright.
Needs to do way more hue shift, better hue shifting. Okay, let's just re-go all the way back. Yeah. Just full restart. To make it a very tiny bit brighter, and then hue shift it very slightly. Then make that a very ugly green color. And then what hue that? Yeah, that one goes way further. Yeah, I think this is the problem I'm having. This green is just so much brighter. It's just such a different color to the other stuff. Maybe if I just move over the hue maybe a bit, just like slowly subtly. Okay, yeah, that looks a bit better, I'd say. The timer is very plain right now. I need to find something to like spice it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm tempted to go back to the yellow and red. Though I actually like the red dinosaur.
Yeah, the red dinosaur's very nice.
Yeah, that looks better.
Yeah, I agree. Hey, apparently dinosaurs back then might have been like really colourful and stuff.
Yeah.
So it even makes sense.
It's educational as well.
Yeah,
I
on the
just-
loading screens,
Wait.
you have like some epic loading animation and
These-
some random facts about dinosaurs.
Yeah. These colors that clashes very slightly.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe
I
try
like.
yellow.
Yeah, I like the way
Yellow
this is
and
going. If it just makes it a bit lighter, yeah,
Yeah.
a bit more yellowy. Or if you maybe use these orange colors. That I don't like these colors, so yeah, no, not good colors.
They're
that
too similar and they clash, yeah.
one.
The body works with them, I think, but the head doesn't.
Yeah.
They're kind of fairly... Oh wow, that's bright. That's really bright.
You know.
I think the head's just maybe... Is
I need to make it more orange.
Than the rest?
Hmm?
I think the head's maybe like a stronger colour than like most of the other colours you've got going there.
Yeah. I think I might make the time lapse bigger. I don't know. That's just not liking them right now. I want to make the dinosaur feel much bigger than everything else, but I'm not sure. I think if it's just one, it'll probably look okay actually.
Now, more than ever, as a police officer, you can be proud of who you are. Celebrate your religion,
Let's
your
go.
identity, your culture.
Mute
I'm Detective Constable.
Lion tool. The ads are over. Yeah, I like it. I think the colors are just too similar for the tile map. Yeah. If we go back to, are you still posting my Steam link? Oh wait, that's the 85 one actually, isn't it? Yeah.
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 I mean, I can post yours as well if you want, but
No,
no, the
that's
85 one
fine.
I think is maybe more relevant in that conversation.
Yeah. Dominic, the epic moderator.
That's me.
Yeah, I think, yeah, if we go more yellow, Stevie, I think that, yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
We try and make it less orange, more yellow.
because it clashes too much with the dinosaur.
Oh,
It's
too
more-
yellow. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah, that looks nicer.
that looks nice. I don't like the yellow color, but it definitely, yeah, it definitely looks much better. Yeah. Okay, so we just find a nicer yellow-ish color. Maybe like make the outline very subtle. Just make a very slight hue change. Yeah, that's too much. Something like that. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. And then we want these dark colors to work. I think another new color entirely again. Let's see. That more red, darker. Okay, I'd say that works. That does look better. Let's move Toby out of the way. Here. Oh, okay, why am I doing that? Let's just pick up, boom, brush, boom, there we go. Okay, I like that. I think that looks good.
Yeah, it looks nice. Does it clash? Like you put it.
No, not really. It stands out much better.
Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah.
Main problem is if they have like multiple on top. So if they go there, I mean that actually looks okay. The blue lines are kind of messing up, but I think that's fine. If I
Yeah,
just
that
made
looks
them
nice.
look prettier, the actual tiles just look nicer. Some of the tiles I don't like. How did they do the tiles again? I think they were using a much, what's it called, much bigger palette or like size, yeah. I think maybe I should make the size a bit bigger. What if I made them all 10 by 10? How does that look? I'd
Not
say
bad.
that looks better.
Yeah.
Okay, what if I made them all 12 by 12? Wait, they want... Right, okay, no one, that wasn't 10 by 10, that was 9 by 9. 9 by 9 looks okay. Yeah, I think 9 by 9 is very well I'll go with. think any bigger you start to lose that kind of style. And that still makes Toby look really big, which is 100% what his name is going to be.
Toby.
Yes, Toby.
Very creative.
Very creative. Every single game I'm going to make from now is going to have a dinosaur named Toby in it. Got to keep the branding up.
I mean,
Why
that'd be cool
Toby?
for a while, but I think it might get repetitive after a bit.
You don't say.
Not hating, but just pointing out.
Toby will come to your house and eat you, Dominic.
Toby
sorry.
wants to know your location.
We have very aggressive customer service, okay? Okay, that looks good, I say. Okay, ignore all that. Okay, so these colors, will they burn your eyes? Yes. Do they look pretty? I think so. So we're gonna keep them.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I like them, and I don't think they're burning my eyes. And my
Yeah.
monitor brightness is like.
Oh, well,
20
how are we?
times as high as
Hello,
yours,
hello
so-
to you too. Okay. I'm tempted to like have a late night Hades session right now. I don't know if that'd be fun. Let's save this. Games. Let me forward up. Brackeys game jam. Game jam. Okay, and let's just have concept art. Okay. So let's see. Let's add that to the Trello board. Repossess. I think I'm definitely gonna keep looking at this for my art style. I mean, that background's very cool. I would love to make a shader like that.
Yeah, I really like this
wobbles.
art. It's very
Yeah.
nice. What game is it?
You
I
are
have
possessed.
this?
It was made in the game jam. 48 hours. They have a time lapse here if you want to have a look at that. Yes, really cool.
They used Aspera as well.
Yeah, it's right. Yeah.
Sprite.
Okay. Character sprite. Let's just collect. Oh, not following my plan at all, but car movement. Oh yeah, we also did the car movement today. Do we finish off the car movement then? I think so. Let's do that. Okay. I might just add in, just draw a quick car and just add it all in then. Making a car shouldn't take too long. Final words. I don't know how to make a short, like low resolution car. That looks very bad.
Are you making the cars now?
I'm trying to, yeah. If we just make a futuristic city, all the cars are hover cars, okay? So no more wheels.
Yeah, we don't need no wheels. I mean, you just go to like mini modes and just copy some of the
Yeah,
schemes of their cars.
their cars are all like top down though.
Yeah, like oh yeah, they're just like dots. Maybe just like the supermarkets
Yeah.
or the houses.
Would it look wrong if I just did top down cars? I don't know. I'm very okay. Let's just make a top down car just for now, just for testing purposes at least. And then I can go in and like add stuff, like more detail later. Though this is gonna be annoying to get right. Looks too. I guess that looks okay. I say that's passable as a car. Let's say. Do you guys say this is passable as a car? If I get the shading right, I think maybe it might look okay.
You need to have like some darkened parts for wheels. I think is the best way to make it look like a car.
It's top down though. You can't see the wheels.
Yeah.
I know, but even so, it's just a better way of doing it. Even though it's not realistic, being able to do that somehow,
That doesn't really look nice, though, in my opinion.
it doesn't quite look right.
Yeah.
That is definitely
I
not
don't know what I'm doing.
a car.
Oh no. Okay.
Another idea is just making light hover cars and having this like faint highlight, like RGB lighting at the bottom of it.
I wish.
Hmm.
They need to be able to fit in Toby's mouth. That's my only requirement.
What is Toby's mouth? Where is it, sorry? So like, how big is it? That, okay.
I can make it like bigger, like if I need to. I can be like, ugh, big Toby mouth. Like in the animation, I can just like open it up like stupidly wide.
Oh yeah, you can just have like the animation go
Yeah. It would just be like it'd be like the Among Us animation where you just like open your mouth like twice their size or whatever.
Oh yeah,
like
when
that,
it,
yeah.
yeah.
It would be like that.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that's nice. I like that.
Okay, so okay, I'm gonna go get some water. I will be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back. Let's see. The stream's off right now, I think. Oh no, my mic's still on. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do this. Let's go back to streaming. Nice, right. Okay. Car design. Oh no. Okay, let's just ignore it for now. Let's just make a quick road tile. That'll be really quick to do. So if we just get rid of all of those, put these in here, then copy that and we just make a quick road one. Actually, wait, this needs to be way bigger now, doesn't it? That needs to be like, okay, so how tall is that? That is 7. So that needs to be 2 more down. And I think I want to double that as well. Yeah, probably. So let's just keep that way. Then on this one, let's just make a quick road. So how are we going to do this? So like, actually, if we did a like 1 up, then we could actually have the white line in the middle as well. I don't know if that would look good though. Just this color here, this like purpley blacky color here. Pardon me. Okay. I don't think having colors on the roads is good. Making them thinner would be better. If I just make the entire road really thin. Thin road for my thin. Actually, wait, yeah, the cars need to be bigger actually there. So I'd probably have to make that bigger. Then again, do I need the cars to be bigger? I could just make the cars like really tall in a way. So I just copy that and try and get. I think the roof is what's annoying me here. Actually, what if I just have them just like square like that? That actually kind of looks okay. Soft tire rim. That actually works. Okay, let's keep it that for now. I think if I add some animation to these cards, we've got something under. I think a lot of this is going to come down to animation. Yeah, there's like, yeah, I think that'll be cute, yeah. I think having lots of particles and stuff. Okay, I think this works for now. Let's import all of this into Unity. Let's save that. Oh, a building. I'll do the building later. Don't need to do that. Worry about that now. Should I though? Should I just make the building now? Kind of want to. Oh yeah, let's just do it. Yeah. So, building. So I'm making this into like as if it was a 48-hour game jam. What color should the buildings be? I don't know. It's dark purpley color. Yeah, I think we do like that. Well, the size scale of this game right now is very messed up, but that's fine. Just more light blue. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I get. Yeah, they look so nice. Yeah, when you like hue shift, I mean the colors change. Yeah. Let's see. There isn't a good shading color for this. Alright, let's just use these colors for now. We can find better colors later. Actually, no, I actually really like these colors. Let's stick with them. Let's just do a custom one. Get that color. Let's make it. Change it very slightly so we get a bit more towards yellow, tiny bit lighter. I think a bit more hue shifting. That kind of works. Oh, that looks good. Okay, they don't have to look perfect. Let's just go with that for now. Maybe a tad taller. Just prototyping. Let's just use these for now. And let's just get these into the game. Make stuff actually start looking pretty. Okay. Let's save these. Let's export these to a PNG. Okay, let's go back into Unity. Immediately greeted by a bunch of error messages. How lovely. Okay, let's game development, art, pixel art, games, Brackeys, game jam, concept art. This has literally only been like, what, like a 14th of the time limit, I guess, but that's not really because it's like until next Sunday at like 11 o'clock. So yeah, still got a long time. Why is that? Oh, air compressor. 9. Okay. Yes, dinosaur Toby is gonna stay. Yes. Oh, it's actually 10 by 10. Huh. Ooh, that just noticed this game is gonna be a bit weird, but that's fine. We just deal with that, I guess. Now, how weirdly do these all scale? So if I set okay, so if I set dinosaur sprite to be Toby, and that looks ugly, so it's white. Okay, yes, this actually looks quite nice. Okay, then let's see what. Oh yeah, we need that tile palette. So we've got tile maps. Set our building. Okay. So our empty one to our default tile. That looks so bright and very hideous, but we're just gonna run with it for now. Maybe I don't know what to do with this. Okay, we're just running with that for now. We have to change this later. That does not look good, but anyway. Okay. Let's shift all of the entire grid slightly. Oops, still signs. I should offset it. Yeah, I did. There you go. Okay. Slightly. That's fine. Okay, set our roads. To our road tile. Just ignore that they don't connect properly for now. Ignore all the glaring issues. And we practically have a game. Okay. Let's go car. Let's add that sprite in as well. That car bottom. I think all the pixel ratio is all messed up as well. But hey, that works. The cars are driving backwards, everything's going the wrong direction. But hey, that works-ish. Kinda works. Yes, you can do all the moving. Okay, I think that is everything for today then. And the question is, do I play Hades now or do I go to bed? Could do one Hades live stream, we could live stream that. Yeah, okay, let's do a Hades live stream, I think. Okay, I need to sub OBS. Yeah. Oh, I can't edit it while the stream's going without actually going on it. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just edit the stream capture slightly. So that we mute the display. That's gonna go black for a while, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, let's find game capture, add source. Oh, that looks horrible though, man. Does not look. Oh, this looks so bad now to be, but anyway. Okay, streaming. Okay, let's just go with that. Let's just do. Can you guys just let me know if this looks like passable on stream? Let me know. This looks okay. Okay, and okay, it should be popping up soon. Depends how long the delay is. Oh, actually, I just realized Hades made like a ton. It's gonna, it might lag too much. Let's see. I don't know how much it will lag though. My loading timers may just be like astronomically high. Yeah, I haven't started yet. As well, hasn't updated. Okay, there we go. How does it look now? Yeah. Okay. Let's do a Hades run. Okay, is it too choppy? Too choppy? Okay, no more Hades. Okay, then we do. Yeah, I can see on mine as well, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then I guess we are ending the stream. I believe it's only us watching, so I'm not gonna bother doing a proper outro. But yes. Stream is, it's only, there's 4 people? Really? For me only there's 3. Okay, well, sorry. Really? Okay. Well, okay, that will be the end of the stream then. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh wait, yeah, it's going up now. Should I continue then? Do I continue? I don't know what to do now. I think I'll end. So sorry everybody joining. That is going to be the end of the stream. I'll be back tomorrow at like, let's see, so it's 11 now. So that'll be in 1, maybe like, yeah. So like, if I start streaming at like 10 o'clock, possibly. It's probably the earliest. So like 11 hours from now. I think so. Okay, I will. Yes, so in 11 hours from now. Yeah. So that is 10 GM or British Summer Time, BST. But maybe later. We'll see. I'll schedule it. I'll schedule it for the time so people can see. Eastern Standard Time 7 hours behind, so that'll be 3. Eastern Standard Time, so I doubt we'll get